Making $6,000 a month from affiliate marketing. This is part 1 of a 3-part video series. Tomorrow I'll bring out part 2 and the following day I'll bring out part 3. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process of earning money known as commission every time you promote a company's product and drive a sale. It's very similar to a commission-only salesperson. It's usually quite a small commission, and chances are you have bought something through someone else's affiliate link and earned them a commission without even realizing. Ever searched on Google for the best earphones or something like that, landed on a review site and clicked the link to buy? All those links will most likely be affiliate links, and the owner of that website just earned a commission when you bought. There are many different approaches to affiliate marketing, and in this video series we are just going to cover one of those ideas. Why do people go into affiliate marketing? The idea of earning whilst you sleep is very prominent in the affiliate marketing world. Even though I fully believe in hard work, passive income does exist to a degree within affiliate marketing. It can also be a lot of fun, it can be rewarding, and most importantly, there is no cap to how much you could earn. You could promote whatever you want, and you could keep promoting more things and earn even more money. So let's get started. The first step is finding an affiliate product or service to actually start promoting. And I always recommend you pick something that you are interested in. This will make it far more enjoyable to promote down the line, and you'll know a lot more about the topic, which will make it easier to promote down the line. Now, you could either work with individual companies or people, or you could work with affiliate networks. Individual companies like Printful or many others will have their own affiliate programs, their own tracking, their own dashboard. Everything will be hosted by them. Affiliate networks is where you register for that network and you can see hundreds, maybe even thousands of different companies that you could promote, and it all goes through this affiliate network's dashboard, their analytics, and they kind of house all the different companies. For example, Impact Radius would be considered an affiliate network. After finding an affiliate program to actually start promoting, you could apply, wait to get accepted, it's usually very quick. Then you could start creating content and making sure to use that special affiliate link that the company has given you, and that way they'll be able to track all your clicks, all your sales, your conversion, everything. And when someone eventually purchases, you will earn a small commission. Let's find a program to actually promote. For me, my interests are photography, videography, cars, and travel. So I'm going to want to try and find something in and around those niches, just so that I have an interest in it. It will be easier for me to promote, and I know I could talk a lot about them. A few websites to find affiliate programs on would be Impact Radius, Rakuten, Share a Sale, Awin, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, JVZoo, and a simple Google search. Once picking a company to actually start promoting and getting your special affiliate link, you would have 2 options. Number 1, you can send someone directly to the offer page and hope they buy. If they don't, you've kind of lost that potential customer. Number 2, you could send them to a landing page, offer something for free as an incentive to sign up, then lead them through to the offer page. This is known as a funnel, and this is what we're going to be doing. Personally, I think a funnel is much better for long-term growth. Even though it can be slightly harder for, a quick turnaround sale, because a lot of people might land on your landing page and not want to sign up and just want to go straight to the offer. So you might lose those people, but in the long term, you're going to get people signing up for your free offer and then leading them through to the sales page. And by doing this, you'll have their email. So you could promote them that affiliate offer if they haven't bought it. But if they have bought it, you could promote them a different affiliate offer down the line. You could start doing a blog, you could do a newsletter. The point is, you'll have all of these contacts that would be very valuable to you later down the line. For this example, we're going to be finding an affiliate offer around the photography niche and promoting it via individual posts and individual ads. A very important rule to consider before moving forward is do not fall in love with your offers. Do not fall in love with the product you're promoting. And the reason I say this is because if it doesn't get good reviews, if it's not getting good click-through rates, if it's just not getting sales, then you have to be able to drop it quickly and move on to another one. There is no point you wasting money promoting someone else's offer if you're not making anything in return. First things first, we need to make a solid plan. For this example, we want to pick photography or videography based product. We then want to create an enticing free offer to get people to sign up. We could use a PLR product known as a private label rights product. We'll discuss that a bit later on. Then we want to put it together all in a simple funnel. And finally, we want to start promoting that funnel. So let's do a quick search and find that product that we want to start promoting. I found this website which has 47 different affiliate programs we could sign up for. And that's pretty awesome. Another site is Lutify.me. This is great for photographers and videographers. LUTs are a quick way to add color correction to an image and are very popular. I could also go for this affiliate program, which looks like an individual's own LUTs. It's quite a nice website and looks like it would be pretty straightforward to promote. We could also just go for a straight up review site and add a whole bunch of camera gear, camera softwares, camera program, all of that kind of stuff to this review website. Compare things with each other, but obviously have affiliate links for both of those items. So whichever one gets picked, I would still get commission. Now that is the long-term big goal. That's what we want to be able to achieve down the line. And by doing this way first, building up a huge email list, we could then launch our blog and our review site to our audience that we've already curated from doing it this way with a funnel and a single offer. We are going to pick Photor to promote. This is a free online editor, great for any newbie photographer who can't afford Photoshop or Illustrator. The paid version is also really cheap, it has incredible reviews, and it's user-friendly, so promoting it should be pretty straightforward. Now that that's all settled, we can move to the next phase, which is planning the offer. We need an offer that is free, that is good enough, that will entice people to put their email in and get that free offer. A lot of those people won't turn into paying customers, and that's totally okay because you will have their email. So they might not want to buy Photor, but they could potentially buy a LUT, they could potentially buy an ebook. You never know down the line, and by having their email, you'll be able to promote so many more things to them. There are now two ways we could approach this next step. One, we can create a free enticing offer ourselves. For example, a tutorial on how to use Photor, or a specific tutorial on how to achieve a look with Photor, like black and white, or adding watermarks. These are all things people would be interested in, so would sign up for to find out how to do it. Then they would follow the natural progression of the funnel that we have created and hopefully sign up to Photor. Two, the other option is to buy a PLR product, and this stands for private label rights, and this allows you to give or sell that product to anyone you want. You would want to make sure the product relates closely to the affiliate offer. For example, an ebook on how to take better photos, an ebook on how to edit photos, an ebook on how to turn your photos into money. These are all good ideas that relate really closely. You also want to make sure that the PLR product is allowed to be given away for free. For example, this one, you can only sell it, you can't give it away. Basically, at the end of the day, a PLR product is really good because it allows you to be able to create a really cool offer without having to spend hours and hours actually physically creating the tutorials, creating the ebook. You could just buy it all ready-made and give it to the masses or sell it to the masses. That's the whole idea of what a PLR product is. Now, in order to bring this all to life, we are going to need a series of tools and programs to make this work. Back in the day, I had to sign up to various tools in order to make this work. I had to sign up to an email autoresponder. I had to sign up to a funnel maker. I had to sign up to a webinar hoster. And all of this was time consuming, having all these different dashboards and platforms, and it was really expensive. This 3-part video series is sponsored by System.io, which is an awesome all-in-one tool that allows you to create funnels, email campaigns, websites, affiliate programs, webinars, blogs, courses. As I said, It's pretty much an all-in-one tool that allows you to do everything you need. As well as that, there is a free option where you don't even need to put your card in, and it gives you quite a lot of stuff to get started. That is why I wanted to work with System.io for this particular series, because I wanted the barrier of entry for you to do affiliate marketing to be as low as possible. And now you'll be able to access all of these important tools, an email autoresponder, a funnel maker, all of it for free. So you can literally get started with this for free, which is brilliant. If you do eventually grow and you start making serious money and you want to go to the next plan, upgrading is really easy. So how do you take advantage of using System.io? 1, you'll be able to build an email list up to 2,000 people in the free plan. 2, you'll be able to create awesome sales funnels, which is going to be vital for this affiliate marketing method. 3, you could even create a course. If you could play an instrument or use Photoshop, you could definitely turn that knowledge into an income stream via a course. Or you could just create your course for this free enticing offer, and you could do that all through System.io as well. And 4, down the line, we're going to want to start that blog reviewing all these different items and everything like we spoke about, and you can do that in System.io as well. Lastly, the ease of use of this platform is pretty impressive, and that's another reason why I picked it, because I don't want you to have to figure things out for ages, right? There's 24/7 customer support. The UI and UX, the user interface, the user experience is really good. It's not ugly or clunky or slow, it's just seamless. So if you do want to follow this 3-part video series, creating an affiliate marketing business together, and you want to do the steps as I'm doing them, then definitely sign up to System.io. Again, only to the free one for now. Wait until you start making some money, and then you can follow these steps as I do them. Right, back to the video. Now we have picked our offer, photo, and we have decided what our free enticing offer is going to be to get them to put their email in, and that's going to be a series of tutorials. We can move on to the next phase, and that is going to be creating the funnel, which I'm going to be covering in the next video, a step-by-step video on creating each element of the funnel and connecting it all up. And then in the third video, we're going to be talking about marketing that funnel, creating ads, creating posts, everything that you need